Hi everybody, today I'm going to share with you a recipe that I am cooking for Bandit. My poor little baby boy, he keeps having pancreatitis, and Frugal RV Gal forwarded a video to me from, and I'm going to put that in the links down below or in the video description down below so that you can watch it, but about the hazards of commercial, he's drinking water, can y'all hear him? About the hazards of commercial dog food. Now, since he continues to get pancreatitis, I had ordered prescription dog food for him through Chewy's, but I'm even concerned about that. So I went to this website called Balance It, and it is part of that video that Frugal RV Gal forwarded to me. I will put both that video down below and the Balance It website where I got this recipe from. Veterinarians run that website, and you plug in your dog's information and they give you various recipes for them. So today I'm going to cook for my baby boy and hope that it helps him stay healthy. Bandit ate, and we have been invited over to Jana's, Frugal RV Gal's, for breakfast. She is making blueberry pancakes. Reporting for breakfast, ma'am. So Jana told me to bring my syrup, so I did. And I also melted some butter and brought it over. She is in there working on her hair. It's morning. What can we say? It's morning.
Blueberry, and I put a little banana, well, one small banana in there too.
Oh, nice. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. Be sure to save enough for Frugal.
No, I don't want any.
You don't want any?
I don't like melted butter on
Oh, she doesn't like, she likes chunk butter.
Yeah.
Okay, going in for seconds. Get that yummaliciousness. Y'all don't judge me for my butter and my syrup. Jana doesn't do, she does chunk butter and honey. Okay, so this is the sweet potatoes, and I'll look and see how much the recipe calls for. I'm cooking a batch for a week. And it says that Bandit's supposed to get a 2 1/4 cup of the mixture once I get it all done. So sweet potatoes are on to boil. I'm using my butane stove that I normally cook outside with, but it's too windy to cook outside. So I've got it on a tray table, and now on my in-house propane stove, I'm going to start the meats. Okay, the recipe calls for a pound of sausage. And while it and the sweet potatoes are cooking, I will core the apple and get the sausage, banana, carrots, broccoli, all of that ready to go. The squash is done, and now I am boiling, no, that was the sweet potatoes. Now I am boiling the squash, and the apples are ready to add in. And I've got the hamburger meat going now. Turkey is done. And I'm testing each one of these to make sure Bandit likes these ingredients. Here's your carrot. Good boy. So far, so good. I forgot to mention that the hamburger meat is a 93.7% fat ratio. They recommended 95.5, but I couldn't find that, so this will work. The apples in raw because he needs some coarseness, and they don't have to be cooked. Okay, now to add a cup of oats. There's a 1/2 cup. It called for more, but Bandit doesn't do well with breads or rice. So we're trying the oats, and just going to do a cup and not the cup and 3/4 that it calls for. And I forgot to show you the broccoli, but there's some broccoli in there, and otherwise it's all mixed up. And I'm not going to give him as much as they say to give him either, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, everybody, we'll see how it goes. I'm not recommending this yet because I'm just now trying it. But I start talking and Bandit gets all excited. But I am very hopeful that this will help my baby boy. Sammy has had cooked food. Jenna has been cooking her food for quite some time, and it sure helped her with all of her gastric issues, and I've got my fingers crossed. You want to tell everybody bye? Tell them, say, we'll see you down the road, everybody. Say bye-bye. Keep on keeping on, you guys. See you soon.